dear admin, so if you want to create a discount code, for example, if user is came first time, so it will be like a 20% off, and if there is a repeat order by the same user, then it will be the 10% off. Then we can create it using FAD, sell and automatic discount. You just need to install this application. After installing, when you land on the dashboard, you can create a discount code here, where you can set the order discount. Here you can choose the discount code, whatever you wants to go for. Here I can set the welcome discount. Now you can choose order, product and all the checkbox, which is like combined with other discount codes. Now you can set here new user with the discount, and here you can set like total spend equals to 0. It means like that is the new user, because there is no spend by the user in your store, so it will be the new user. And we can set it the percentage discount like a 20% off. Now we can set another discount tier here, where we can set repeat user. Okay, and here you can set like total spend is greater than equal to 1. It means like if user already place an order in your store, it means like it is the new user, so the total spend will be more than 1 definite, so it will be like a new repeat user here. And in that case you can set the percentage discount 10% off and create this. That's it. So now if you are just going for the checkout and use this single discount code, and if there is a new user without any order in your store, then it will be like a 20% off for that user. And if it is the new, not the new user but repeat order by that user, then it will be like a 20, instead of 20 it will be only 10% off for that user. So it is look like a single discount code behave based on what user spend in your store. Like if you want to go for like if user spend around like greater than 100, then it will be the 10% off. Then you can set like that as well. And if user spend like a 200 or 1000, then it will be like more discount for that user. Then you can set it like that as well. So it is look like you can set and play with the conditions based on your requirement, and you can create a single discount code based on the things like you want to go for with the conditions. I hope this information helps you. Let me know if you have any other question. We have a live chat here, or you can just connect with me via email as well. Thank you so